Simple English News. Breaking news in simple English.
This video brings today's world news in simple English. It is made for English beginners who want real news with simple English. You can learn English and understand the world at the same time. A new video on social media. President Donald Trump shared a new video on his social media page. He posted this video late on Thursday night. The video showed former President Barack Obama and Michelle Obama. Many people were very shocked when they saw the images. The video showed the Obamas with the bodies of apes. This is a very old and mean way to show black people. Most people agree that these images are very racist. The video was on the internet for several hours. Many people saw it before it was taken down. The video also talked about the election in the year 2020. It said things about the election that are not true. At the end of the video, the racist images appeared suddenly. A song from a famous movie played during this part. The song is called "The Lion Sleeps Tonight." Then the video went back to talking about the election. President Trump explained the video. President Trump spoke to reporters on Friday evening. He was traveling on his large airplane, Air Force One. The reporters asked him about the video and the racist images. Trump said he did not see the whole video before sharing it. He only watched the first part of the video. The first part of the video was about voter fraud. Trump likes to watch videos about the election. He told the reporters that he did not see the end. He said there was a picture that people do not like. Trump said he would not like that picture either, but he repeated that he did not see that part. Trump also said he will not apologize for the post. He said he did not make a mistake. He looks at thousands of things on the internet every day. He thought the beginning of the video was fine. The response from the White House. The video stayed on the social media page until Friday at noon. Many people were very angry and complained to the White House. The White House staff then removed the video from the page. Later, a White House official spoke to the news. The official said a staffer made a big mistake. The staffer put the video on the page by accident. Before this, the White House press secretary spoke to the media. Her name is Karoline Leavitt. She said the video was just a joke from the internet. She said the video showed Trump as the king of the jungle. She also said it showed other leaders as cartoon characters. She told the reporters to stop being angry about the video. She said they should talk about more important things. What the Obamas said. Reporters from ABC News reached out to Barack and Michelle Obama. They wanted to know what the Obamas thought about the video. The Obamas did not say anything about the racist animation. They did not give a comment to the news reporters. However, they did post something on social media later that night. The Obamas did not talk about the video in their post. Instead, they talked about the Winter Olympic Games. They wished the American Olympic team good luck in the Games. This was their first post since the video was shared. They chose to be positive and support the American athletes. They did not want to talk about the mean video. Opinions from other leaders. Many leaders in the government were very unhappy about the video. Senator Tim Scott is a Republican from South Carolina. He is the only black Republican in the Senate. He saw the video and wrote a message on the internet. He said the video was very racist and very bad. He prayed that the video was not real. He asked the president to take it down immediately. President Trump said he talked to Senator Scott on the phone. They had a conversation on Friday after the video was removed. Trump told the senator that a worker made a mistake. He explained that he did not want to post racist images. Other Republican leaders also said the video was not acceptable. Senator Roger Wicker said the president should apologize to the Obamas. Strong words from the Democrats. Democratic leaders were also very angry with President Trump. Hakeem Jeffries is a leader for the Democrats in the House. He is the first black leader of a party in Congress. He said Barack and Michelle Obama are great Americans. He said they are very smart and they love their country. He called Donald Trump a very mean and bad man. Hakeem Jeffries said every Republican must speak against the video. He said the video showed a lot of hate. Another leader, Chuck Schumer, also wrote a message. He said the video was very dangerous for the United States. He said it makes the country look bad to other people. He said the president must say sorry to the Obamas. He called them great Americans who help the country. The history of the video. Reporters found out where the video came from. It was shared before by a group in Kentucky. This happened in the month of October. The group was the Republican Party of Hardin County. When they shared it, many people were also very angry. The leader of that group had to say sorry. He deleted the post very quickly because it was racist. The video uses very old and mean ideas. For a long time, some people used ape images to hurt black people. This was a way to treat people like they were not human. This history is very sad and very serious in America. Many people feel a lot of pain when they see these images. That is why so many leaders were angry about the post. Trump condemns the racism. A reporter asked Trump if he hated the racist part. Trump said, of course he hates that part. He said he does not like racist things. He said he only wanted to talk about the election. Trump told the reporters that he gave the video to his staff. He told the people on his team to post it. He claimed he still did not see the bad images. The president said he watches many things every day. He said he cannot see everything in every video, but many people think he should be more careful. They think the president should check everything before he shares it. This event has caused a lot of talking in Washington. People are still discussing the video and the president's reaction. Summary of the news. To summarize, a racist video was posted on Trump's account. The video was very mean to Barack and Michelle Obama. President Trump said he did not see the racist parts. He said a staff worker made a mistake by posting it. Many leaders from both parties said the video was wrong. The video is now gone from the internet. This news is important because it shows how leaders use social media. It also shows how people feel about racism in America. The Obamas have stayed quiet and focused on the Olympics. The White House says it was an accident by a staffer. Now, many people are waiting to see what happens next. They want to know if there will be more apologies. Thanks for watching today's Easy English News. Please subscribe to get the latest updates every day. See you in the next video.